Good morning, grade 11s. Today what we're going to be doing is starting on our exponential functions 2 section. We've had a look at how to work with exponential functions as well as how to work with logs and how to convert between exponentials and logs. But from today what we're going to be looking at is what the graphs of an exponential function look like. You would have been introduced to them last year in grade 10 where we did very basic exponential functions and you would have had to read off a value from the graph. This year you're going to need to be able to graph them from given information as well as be able to derive a formula for an exponential function from a graph. Now, in some instances, they may look similar to a hyperbola, but very importantly, you need to remember that a hyperbola has got a vertical and a horizontal asymptote, whereas an exponential function has only got a horizontal asymptote. Remember, an asymptote is a line which the graph gets closer and closer and closer to, but it never, ever will cross that line. All right, so that's our little introduction to it. I'll start filling in and we'll go from there. Exponential functions are functions in the form f of x equals a to the x, where a is an element of the real numbers and that plus should be a backspace, not including 1. They provide mathematical models of exponential growth. And we would have seen a lot of that sort of thing happening here with the coronavirus and exponential decay. All right. The graph that you see on the left-hand side shows exponential growth, whereas the graph on the right-hand side shows decay. As the y values are decreasing, x values are increasing.